10 Best Places to Visit in Argentina. Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to another exciting adventure. Today, we're exploring the captivating beauty of Argentina, a country that boasts a rich tapestry of landscapes, culture, and history. Join us as we uncover the 10 best places to visit in Argentina. Let the journey begin. Iguazu Falls. Our first stop on this spectacular tour is none other than the breathtaking Iguazu Falls. Nestled on the border between Argentina and Brazil, these awe-inspiring falls are a true marvel of nature. Imagine standing on the misty viewing platforms, surrounded by the thunderous roar of water as millions of gallons cascade down the 275 individual falls. The sheer power and beauty of Iguazu Falls, set within the lush greenery of the UNESCO-listed Iguazu National Park, create an unforgettable experience. Be prepared to be mesmerized by the mesmerizing rainbows that dance in the mist, making Iguazu Falls a true wonder of the world. Buenos Aires. Our next stop brings us to the vibrant and dynamic capital of Argentina, Buenos Aires. Known for its rich cultural heritage, Buenos Aires is a city that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. Take a stroll through the historic neighborhoods, such as San Telmo and La Boca, where colorful streets are lined with tango clubs, street art, and charming cafes. The iconic Plaza de Mayo, surrounded by historic buildings, provides a glimpse into Argentina's tumultuous history. Don't miss the opportunity to immerse yourself in the passionate world of tango, as Buenos Aires is the birthplace of this sultry dance. With its lively atmosphere, delectable cuisine, and unique charm, Buenos Aires is a must-visit destination for any avid traveler. Perito Moreno Glacier. Our expedition through Argentina takes us to the awe-inspiring Perito Moreno Glacier, a natural wonder nestled in the Los Glaciares National Park. This colossal ice formation is a testament to the Earth's majestic beauty. Witness the sheer magnitude of Perito Moreno as massive chunks of ice cave into Lake Argentino, creating a mesmerizing display. Adventurous souls can explore the glacier up close through guided ice trekking tours, marveling at the deep blue crevasses and towering ice walls. With its pristine surroundings and the crisp sound of cracking ice, Perito Moreno Glacier offers a truly unforgettable experience, making it a highlight of any Argentine adventure. Salta. Our expedition through Argentina takes us to the enchanting city of Salta, nestled in the northwest region of the country. Known for its colonial architecture, vibrant markets, and stunning landscapes, Salta is a cultural gem waiting to be explored. The city's main square, Plaza 9 de Julio, is surrounded by historic buildings, including the Salta Cathedral and the Cabildo. Take a stroll through the charming streets filled with local artisans, and savor the flavors of traditional Argentine cuisine in one of the many local restaurants. For panoramic views of the city and surrounding mountains, hop on the cable car to the top of Cerro San Bernardo. Salta's unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a captivating destination for every traveler. Bariloche. Our journey through Argentina leads us to the picturesque town of Bariloche, nestled in the northern Patagonian Andes. Known for its stunning alpine landscapes and charming Swiss-style architecture, Bariloche is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The centerpiece of the region is the breathtaking Nahuel Huapi Lake, surrounded by snow-capped peaks and lush forests. Take a scenic drive along the Circuito Chico to witness panoramic views of the Andes and the crystalline waters of the lake. Bariloche is also famous for its exquisite chocolate, so don't miss the opportunity to indulge in sweet delights from local chocolatiers. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, cruising on the lake, or simply relaxing in this alpine-inspired town, Bariloche offers a perfect blend of tranquility and adventure. Salinas Grandes. As we continue our journey through Argentina, we find ourselves in the surreal landscapes of Salinas Grandes. This vast salt flat, located in the northwest part of the country, is a natural wonder that stretches across the provinces of Salta and Jujuy. The expansive white salt crust creates a breathtaking visual spectacle, especially during sunrise and sunset when the sun's rays cast a warm glow on the glistening salt surface. Visitors can venture out onto the salt flat, marveling at the endless horizon and the unique patterns created by the crystallized salt. The contrast between the white expanse and the surrounding Andean mountains adds to the otherworldly charm of Salinas Grandes. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing travelers to connect with the raw beauty of Argentina's diverse landscapes. Peninsula Valdez. Our exploration of Argentina takes us to the unique and biodiverse Peninsula Valdez, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located along the Atlantic coast. This stunning peninsula is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, offering a front-row seat to some of the most extraordinary marine life encounters. From June to December, the waters around Peninsula Valdez become a haven for southern right whales, attracting visitors eager to witness these magnificent creatures breaching and playing in the ocean. The shores are also home to colonies of sea lions and elephant seals, providing an incredible opportunity for close-up wildlife observation. If you're a bird enthusiast, the Valdez Peninsula is a paradise, hosting various species of seabirds. This natural wonderland showcases the delicate balance of marine ecosystems and is a must-visit destination for those seeking an immersive wildlife experience. Córdoba. Our journey through Argentina brings us to the heartland of culture and history, Córdoba. Nestled in the foothills of the Sierras Chiquis, Córdoba is Argentina's second-largest city and a treasure trove of colonial architecture and vibrant energy. The city boasts a rich cultural heritage, evident in its numerous churches, museums, and historical sites. Take a stroll through the charming streets of the city center, where you'll encounter the iconic Jesuit Block, a UNESCO World Heritage Site featuring some of the oldest buildings in Argentina. For a panoramic view of the city, hike up to Cerro de la Gloria or explore the beautiful parks and green spaces that dot the urban landscape. Córdoba is not just a city of history, it's a dynamic hub of arts, education, and lively festivals, making it a captivating destination for those seeking a blend of tradition and modernity. El Caliphate. Our adventure in Argentina takes us to the southern reaches of Patagonia, where the quaint town of El Caliphate awaits. Positioned on the shores of Lake Argentino, El Caliphate serves as the gateway to some of the most captivating natural wonders in the region. The star attraction here is the magnificent Perito Moreno Glacier, a colossal ice formation that seems to defy the laws of nature. Visitors can witness the glacier's grandeur from designated viewpoints, take a boat excursion to experience its towering walls up close, or even trek on the ice for a truly immersive encounter. El Caliphate is not only about glaciers, it also offers access to the stunning landscapes of Los Glaciares National Park, where pristine lakes, rugged mountains, and diverse flora and fauna paint a mesmerizing picture of Patagonian beauty. This remote town provides a unique opportunity to connect with nature in its purest form. Tierra del Fuego. Our odyssey through Argentina reaches its southernmost tip as we set foot in the mystical land of Tierra del Fuego. This remote archipelago, often referred to as the Land of Fire, is shared by both Argentina and Chile. Ushuaia, the world's southernmost city, serves as the gateway to this pristine wilderness. Surrounded by the dramatic landscapes of the Andes and the Beagle Channel, Tierra del Fuego is a haven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Embark on a boat tour to explore the rugged coastlines, spotting seals, sea lions, and diverse seabirds along the way. For the intrepid, Hiking in Tierra del Fuego National Park offers a chance to immerse yourself in the untouched beauty of Patagonia. As you stand at the end of the world, where the vastness of the Southern Ocean unfolds before you, the sheer remoteness and wild allure of Tierra del Fuego leave an indelible mark on every traveler's soul. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the top 10 places to visit in Argentina. If you've been captivated by the diverse landscapes, rich culture, and natural wonders we've explored, don't forget to show your love by hitting the like button. Share your thoughts and tell us which destination fascinated you the most in the comments below. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single adventure. Until next time, happy travels!